Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make prawn fried rice. I have here onion, garlic, green bell pepper, corn and beans, green bean, and I have here rice. Okay, and then I have fresh prawn, salt and black pepper also, and oil. We need to mix. Okay, after I want to close the lid for some time. Okay, first I will put salt also. I add salt. Okay, 2 teaspoons maximum. Now we will close it for some time. Okay, and then again we will mix it, and then we add garlic. Guys, now we mix it. Now we are adding garlic. Okay, and then second we put prawn also. Now guys, I want to add prawn, because why? I want to mix with garlic taste. Okay, if we put with raw garlic, the seafood aroma is becoming finished. Okay, we will close it for some time. Okay, now guys, we will mix it again. Okay, and then if the water becoming dry, prawn becoming cooked, okay, then we will put this one. Close. Okay, for some time. After we mix it again, we will mix it, and then we add corn and beans. Again we will close it for some time. I check after 1 minute. Now guys, I want to put some water. Okay, enough. This one is enough. And then we put rice after 2 minutes. Okay guys, we will close for 1 minute. Okay, and then we add rice. After we add the capsicum. Now guys, we check, just we need to mix. Okay, and then we will mix rice. brown rice, huh? Let's eat. Bye, chef. Now, guys, we will check our rice. Okay. Bismillah. MashaAllah. Very good. Our rice is done. Okay. Check. I make brown rice. Okay. Now I want to add capsicum, huh? We just put more black pepper. Enough. Again, we just close. Only 1 minute because our rice is ready. So guys, we will check our rice. Yeah, our rice is done. Now we start eating, inshallah. Okay, check. Very nice. Check. Brown also. Very good. I make too much maybe. Yeah. Now we start eating, huh? I want to take on my table with me. Thank you. Guys, we are start eating. Okay. Bismillah. Check. I want to take brown, huh? Bismillah. Check. How look like? Very nice, huh? Very nice. MashaAllah. Very tasty, very delicious. Today first time I try to brown rice. Very delicious. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe, share and like my video. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.